Hey guys, hope you are doing well. I am Mohammad Danish and I am back with another weekly analysis. In this video, we will discuss about US30 and gold, what we predicted in the last week and how market behave. And also in this video, we will not just cover gold and US30, we will try to cover GBP USD for the next week analysis as well. So let's directly dive into the charts and see what we have for this week. So let's start with the gold. So if you remember last week when we analyzed the gold was hovering around 2400 and we discussed like gold can easily go towards 2450 and market behave in the same way. But in return, we also expecting like price may retest 2380 and it did retest the 2380 level, but it did not give us any sort of confirmation to look for buy option. Price go all the way down and currently it is hovering around 2334. Let's start with the weekly time frame and see what we have for this week. In the weekly time frame, price create a high 2450 and then candle close around 2415. Currently it is now heading towards the 2300 level. So what we expect for the next week? Personally, after see such a solid rejection and also this candle break the low of the previous candle, I am not expecting any more bullish movement for now and not looking for any buy trades. Let's move to the daily time frame. So in the daily time frame, here was a strong level like 2332. This was a very strong level and you see like price is currently hovering below this level. Yesterday price break this level around 332 in the daily time frame and next candle go above, retest this level, and now it is hovering below this level. So what does it mean? It means we cannot look for any more buy confirmation here to look for buy option for next week. Let's move to the H4 time frame. What would be my plan for the next week? Personally, let's adjust the level here. So personally, I am looking for the sell option. I'm expecting like price go up, retest this 2340 to 45 level, and once I got the confirmation for sells, and then I would look for sell, and my target would be 2300 for the next week. And also this 2300 level is perfectly aligned with the weekly time frame. So we may expect like the next week weekly candle would start as a bearish candle, would retest this level around 2300 and then it may got a solid rejection from there and start some bullish momentum. For the initial part of the week, I would look for the sell option from 2340 to 45 level, wherever it give us the confirmation. Price may go above further to may retest this level as well, so we need to look for solid confirmation. I will wait for the confirmation around 2345 to 47 level, and then once price give us the solid confirmation, then we look for a sell, and our main target would be around 2300 for the next week. So this is my plan for the gold. Look for sell for the next week, expecting US dollar would stay strong for the next week. Let's move to the US30. So this is the weekly time frame we have. If you remember last week when we discussed about the US30, the price was hovering around 40k and we discussed like such levels are always be the psychological and very strong level. Price did not easily break such level. It needs some solid fuel and some solid bullish movement to break such levels. So and price respect in the same way. Let's move to the H4 time frame. So this was the 40k level. Price go above a bit and create a new high around 41,000 and then it drop all the way down towards 89,800, and we discussed about like we will look for the sell option below 89,850, but at first attempt it gives us the fake out and then again retest around 900 level, but then it goes all the way down and retest about 39,500. What we discussed in the last week, like this was the level should be retest for the US30 because this whole move happened just because of CPI and price never retest this level. And so after rejecting from 40k and break below 39,850, price go all the way down and retest at 39,400, and not just retest, also break this level, and now it is hovering around 3900 as well. So let's see what we have for this week. So in the current week candle, it is a solid bearish candle, and it is not just bearish candle, also break the low of the previous candle. So what we expect for the next week? Let's move to the daily time frame. I am bearish for the US30 after seeing the last week structure. It is no more bullish movement for me yet now. So I will wait for the price to break this 39,000 level. So there is no way to stop price until the price reach to 38,500. Let's move to the H4 time frame. So it was perfectly aligned with the lower time frame as well. So we need to wait price break this 39,000 level, and once it break the 39,000 level, we need to wait for some solid confirmation, and then on the retest we can look for the sell option, and our main target would be 38,500. It can easily go down below as well, but the main and easy target would be 38,500. Why I'm saying it can easily go further down, because let's see the monthly time frame here. So in the next week we are about to close our month as well. So I'm expecting the price may close as a long wick but a small bullish candle, and the next month the price come back down to retest this 37,800 level and then all the way up. So this was my plan. Like I'm expecting like all the way price go down in the next coming 2 weeks. My plan is like price can easily come down to 38,000 with the following 2 weeks, and then we can look for solid buy option around 38,000. But this is a long-term plan. For now we need to look for the price on the daily or H4 level. Price break this 39,000 level, and then we can look for sell with following the price on the lower time frame. We're targeting the 38,500 for the next week. This is all we have for US30 for next week. So for gold and US30 I am bearish. So let's try to cover this week the GBP USD as well. In the weekly time frame, GBP USD is solid bullish for consecutive 2 weeks, and now it is heading towards another level which is 1.28,600, followed by another solid level 1.31,000. Let's move to the daily time frame. So what we expect here, this was the initial level 1.26,870. As you see, like the price break this level, and this current Friday candle come down, retest this level around 1.26,700, and now it is heading towards the next resistance level which is around 1.27,900. So what we expect for the next week? Personally, I am looking for the buy option for GBP USD according to the structure. I'm expecting like price next candle will come down around 1.27,000, and then we can look for the buy option around this area. And once we got the confirmation, our first target should be 1.27,800, followed by the next target is 1.28,580. This would be my 2 target for the next week. Let's move down to the H4 time frame. Lower time frame level is perfectly aligned with the higher time frame level. Price already test this level number of times, and I'm hopeful like by Monday or Tuesday price will break above this level. But before that, price may retest, come down to the same level 1.27,000, and here we can look for the buy option, and our first target should be 1.27,800 or 900, followed by another target 1.28,500. So this would be our 2 target for the GBP USD, and this H4 daily time frame and weekly time frame perfectly aligned with each other. I am looking for the buy option for GBP USD for the next week. So we started with the gold, where I'm personally bearish, looking for sell around 2340 to 45, and once I got the confirmation, our main target would be 2300. And the next thing is US30. So I have a same bias for US30 like gold. I'm looking for sells option below 39,000, and once I got the confirmation on a retest of 39,000, I would look for sell option and targeting 38,550. And for GBP USD, I'm looking for the buy option around 1.27,000, and my first target would be 1.27,800 or 900, followed by 1.28,500. So this is all we have for this week. Hope you enjoy the video. We'll meet you again for the next week. Thank you.